Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So here we have a long to short transformation. He's definitely cutting off a lot of hair here. Oh wow, what an absolutely stunning angled bob cut. Very cute and most definitely a classic. Now today's video is going to feature some gorgeous head turning hairstyle ideas. Here we have what the stylist is calling a 60s mod inspired cut. Very cute, love the bangs in the front. And then we have someone getting some color here. Oh wow, so she got this really cute Pixie style with the bangs, gorgeous beige blonde color. Absolutely beautiful. And then we move into this platinum Pixie. I love the layer texture she has here. And that platinum color looks beautiful. And then we move into another haircut transformation. So he is using the razor to cut the hair. She gets a nice little shaggy cut. This does feature bangs in the front. Very cute. Oh, I love this. And the girlies on TikTok are definitely still rocking out the shaggy cuts. So here we have another haircut with bangs. I will say, based on this video, it seems like bangs are going to be huge for this summer, spring season. We're seeing so many different stylists, cut the hair into bangs. Oh, wow. Very cute. A mixie cut or baby mullet style, once again with the bangs and the long sideburns. So the previous stylist did call this a 60s inspired mod cut. I guess that's where the style kind of originated. And then here we have an asymmetrical Pixie. She's got some purple with a dip dyed entrance, an undercut, and then we move into a color transformation. So another trend that we're going to be seeing this season, chunky highlights. Beautiful. I love the dimension that the stylist created here. And then here we have someone, now she has the peekaboo color trend, a bit of neon going there with the bangs. I think that is so fun. She does do a big chop here. Oh wow, such a cute Pixie style. And yeah, I am definitely loving that pop of neon there. It's just a nice little creative way to mix in color. Very fun style. Next up, we have another kind of mod haircut transformation. So she starts off with the shoulder length hair. She does get bangs with this one as well. So this particular mod style shape definitely seems to be trending at the moment. So he cuts the bangs here. And I love the way that this particular haircut frames out the face. It really just makes your jawline and your cheekbones pop. So here we have someone, she's got about mid-length hair or so. And she does have some texture to her hair, so it looks like she might be growing in her natural curly hair, letting go of the straighter pieces towards the ends. Also, this is a great hairstyle for summer because it does incorporate her natural curls. She can do a lot of like wash and goes, her natural wavy texture. And this is a great low maintenance summer style. You can let the hair air dry or use the diffuser to further define the hair. So there is the before. You can see the curly part at the top, and there is the after. Stylist did a great job at defining her natural curls. Hair looks beautiful. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.